Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the Control-X-E sequence. What this means is holding down the Control key while you press X and then E. What this does is take the command that you've just entered on the command line without yet hitting the Enter key and open it in a text editor. If you already pressed the Enter key, just hit an up arrow and you'll be back at that command again. Now the editor that will be run is whatever is set up in your editor variable, so your default editor. This will allow you to make changes if you like and save the command to a file. So let's go ahead and look at an example. I'll say cal, and I'll just the top line of the cal output like that, but I don't hit enter. Instead, I'm going to type Control-X-E. And now you see it opens it up immediately in Nano, which in this case is my default editor. Then I'm going to go ahead and type Control-O to save the file. It suggests a file name in temp, but I want to put it in my home directory instead, so I'll call it curmonth, like that. And it asks to confirm that I don't want to use the name it suggested. I say yes. Now I can just type Control-X to exit. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the file. It's the newest one in my file. So tail-1 curmonth. And if I cat curmonth, you'll see that it has the command that I just typed, which would show me the month and the year. Well, that is your Linux tip for the Control-X-E command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.